Hi there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada with a new box here. This is the box, and let's see, again from the same company, it's from Best Buy, and let's see here what is inside it. Just open it together. Go ahead and open it from here, and we need a scissor. Okay, seems that I need to open it from all sides. Right, and from here. Okay, so this is the box. Let's see what's in it. This is it. Nothing else on the box. And oh, I know what it is. It's a Surface. It's a second-hand used Surface. Yes. Wow. Wow. I think it's an open box. This is it. It's a Surface. Surface. I love Surface. I have another one. This is, I think, Surface 3. And the other one I have is Surface 4. It's amazing. So this is how it'll look. This is how to open it. Here, and then you put it down here. You just need a keyboard. I have another one. Same thing though with a keyboard. Okay, let's see if I have the other one here. This is a charger. Okay, the charger for Surface 3 is different than Surface 4. This is the charger for Surface 4. What I have. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and wait for another video soon.